Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Snapchat error sport code SS07. So if you try to create an account on Snapchat or you want to access your Snapchat account, and if you try to repeat your attempts or you do any kind of suspicious activity, then Snapchat temporarily disable your account, or so Snapchat doesn't allow you to create account on Snapchat. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have simply turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do, you have simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to general, and in general you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply open the Safari here, and you have to simply search for Snapchat Sport. And after that you have to simply search for a Snapchat Sport, so that you can simply connect to the Snapchat team and ask the solution of your problem. For this, you have to simply search for any kind of option like I can't access my account. So here you can simply look for your option. So here you can simply click on my account is temporarily disabled. So here you can simply click on what this article helpful. So you have to simply click on no, and after that you have simply click on submit. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on my account is compromised, and after that you have to simply click on here, and after that you will get a form, so that you can simply tell the Snapchat team that what is the problem with your device. So you have to make sure that you look for a form, so that you can fill that form, and after that Instagram Snapchat team will connect to you and solve the problem for you. So here you have to simply look for that form. So here is a form available. You have to simply provide here your username, your email, and after that you have to provide your phone number which is connected to your Snapchat. And here you have to simply explain the problem to Snapchat team, which is as that I am trying to create my account or want to connect to my Snapchat account, and this is showing Snapchat error code SS07. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. And after that you can simply click on submit, and your report will be submitted to Snapchat team, and after that they will connect to you and solve the problem for you. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.